Hello everybody, my name is Victor. I am a creator of the blockchain market analysis and I have been working in the crypto market for years. And today I will show to you my analysis about the Bitcoin price and what I hope for the next days and the next weeks. Okay, my mission here it is to update to you about the Bitcoin price and the market, and I will speak some ideas for what I hope for the next movements for the Bitcoin. Okay, so if you like this type of video, stay until the end because I want to present important information about the Bitcoin price. But now, enough of the bullshit and let's go to work. Well guys, before I start, I want to say that if you like this type of video, please like this, okay? And comment your opinion about this analysis. And if you have another thing to add, comment on it, because we can go on talking and together we can we can have a greater perception of the market, right? But I thank you for your tips, okay? Another thing, if you have any question about the market, especially for those who are starting in this market right now, or like questions about how to buy Bitcoin, how to invest, how to store in a wallet, or question about a specific altcoin, please leave it in the comments that I promise answer them in the best way I can do. So, well guys, let's go. I'm going to show to you our famous and favorite weekly chart, okay? So, what is the overview of the weekly chart? What is the difference of the last week? I already answered that we have not had major changes, but there is important information to be said, okay? As we can see here, we are in the majority downward trend, represented here by this yellow line here, okay? Because it was started since in the June of 2019 and has so far been respected as well. Now look how interesting it is. The current price is varying between $9.2 thousand to $9.3 thousand. But during this week we had some movements, some moments to increase, and guess where the price reached when then it started to retreat. The price reached up $9,590. And what does that mean? It means that the price hit exactly our yellow downward trend here. Do you see? So this downtrend, it is an effect, and the sellers are using to operate, right? Another thing, guys, we left the short term bullish channel and broken down, but that does not mean that the price will fall or rise. It is just means that the price of Bitcoin may no longer respect this bullish channel, correct? So what do I do? Remember that we are on the weekly chart and the candle represents 1 week, okay? And there are many movements during just 1 week. So it is important to be cautious and analyze coldly, okay? So this is how I operate. The candle left the bullish channel, yes. So I wait 3 weeks to see if it will return to the to the bullish channel or not. And then I will remove this graphic, this channel in my chart. So I will wait until the end of this month, the June, and then I will delete it. But for now, we must be aware, because this channel has been respected so many times. Okay. Another thing to say, it is the support and resistance here on the weekly chart. I have the same opinion of the last weeks, because the price it is into the range to $8,700 to $10,000. So the Bitcoin price changed just a little bit. And the last comment on this weekly chart, it is that this week apparently is forming a doji. Do you see that? A doji. It is a candle pattern. And what does that mean? It means that there is a balance of strength between those who want to sell, the sellers, with those who want to buy, the buyers. And the result of this, it is a balanced candle with the shadow for both sides, and with very equal the closing and opening. That is how can we understand this? The market, it is undecided. Okay. And guys, if you have any questions or want to add something else here in this analysis, put it in the comments, guys. But now let's go to the daily chart. So guys, on the daily chart, I have 3 topics that are worthy and I want to talk. First, it is about the range of the of lateralization that we are currently in. The range, it is from 8.6 thousand to $10,000. Okay, and this can be used for daily operations. Okay, and this rectangle, it is in gray here in this graph. The second information, it is about the symmetrical triangle. Doing the price have the same probability of going up or going down. In fact, an indecision, as we already talked about. In a little while, I will give my opinion, but relax, I must first show the facts, okay? And the third and the last point that I would like to say, it is to highlight here on the daily chart, the EMA 50. You know, this is in the blue, where the price is being supported here. Here, the price has been supported by the average of the 50 days, which it is approximately $9,200, and have a resistance in purple. Okay, the resistance, it is the EMA 20, which it is approximately $9,500. And guys, when break these values with consistency, can be a definition of where the price goes, and then be one of the two that you can take into your use for your analysis. Okay, and finally, I want to give you my opinion, and just remind you all, we are in the 6th of 2020, the 6th month of 2020. Half of this year it is already gone, and due to the fundamentals of the Bitcoin, especially the scarcity, it is the fixed supply, and the control of inflation, it is the decreasing in reward for miners. That is the name of this, it is halving. Everything, it is indicating an increase in a Bitcoin price. Look at how the price has been rising since the fall in the March. Or else look since the begin of the year. Look that we started here. Okay, so Bitcoin has only risen this year, so there is no way I can talk about a fall, being the price just goes up. But another thing, in my opinion, do I think the world economy can be collapsing? Yes. I think Bitcoin can be impacted by this a crisis. Yes, but there is so much economy stimulus, printing of money, and so much circulation money, and also so many people who are believing in the Bitcoin technology, that the probability of starting a bull run is greater than we start a bear market. You understand? I could be wrong? Yes, certainly. No one is absolutely sure what can happen, but in my opinion, the second half of this year is more likely to be high. Okay? Did I get my vision about the market to you? I hope so. And now, guys, it is my turn to ask you, did this analysis make sense for you? Did you like this analysis, the way I approach the topic? And another thing, tell me in the last few days, are you operating in the crypto market or in another market, international market, in stocks? I'm curious to know and know more about you, okay? And for those who are operating in the Bitcoin market, are you optimistic for the year 2020 in the price of Bitcoin? What are you waiting for? And please reply in the comments. I will definitely read all the comments, and I'm very interested to know how you analyze the market in this period of time that we are going through. Okay, and again, thanks for the support. Enjoy these videos, share with your friends in Telegram, Facebook. Can I expect your help? So that's it. A hug for you, good trades, a wonderful week for everybody, and remember, let's make money from the market. Bye bye, see you.